I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and account readiness. Make sure your phone supports NFC and the Meezan Bank app is updated. Once done, log in with your registered mobile number. Next, enable NFC in system settings and remove battery saver limits that stop near-field communication. Then open the Meezan Bank app and select the Contactless or NFC enrollment option. This is the first actionable step that initiates card linking, so you can proceed straight into tokenization. Once the app shows the enrollment screen, pick the card you want to link and follow the prompts. You may be asked to tap a physical card to the phone or manually enter the last 4 digits plus an OTP sent to your registered number. Do the latter if tapping fails. Then complete the identity step using your PIN or biometric. Wait for the tokenization confirmation. This replaces card data with a secure token, so transactions use a temporary identifier rather than your real card details. To pay, unlock your device and hold the phone's NFC zone near the terminal until you see approval. You don't need to open the app for most payments. If it fails, first confirm NFC is still enabled, the Meezan app has background permissions, and your account has funds. Then retry. If problems persist, capture the token ID or error code and the transaction time, and contact Meezan Bank support for token reissue or diagnostic steps. This usually resolves persistent token or terminal compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.